So when the word welcome is not always appropriate, what do? Well, today we have a solution. Today we're doing a two-sided door hanger. One side is going to say please do not knock, and the other side is going to have the warm traditional welcome. So we're going to do this side first, and on this side, if you happen to order a blank kit and you want to make this yourself, one side will have the words etched, as you can see here. That will aid you in the placement and to be able to make your word straight. But on the back side, it doesn't have the word etched because I can only etch on one side of the wood on the laser. So, but that's just one piece of wood, so you just have to center it and you're done. Another option when you're ordering it as a blank is we put this 3M adhesive on the back. So we apply this before we cut the wood out. And then when you go to place it, instead of having to use super glue or wood glue or have a glue mess, all you do is peel this 3M backing off, and it's super sticky. So actually I do this on all the signs that we sell as completed pieces because I believe that it holds better than any of the glues that we've used. We do love to use Starbond glue, and it's a wonderful glue. It's fantastic, but this 3M stuff is just another notch up. So there is an option to get your blank pieces with 3M backer for an additional fee. So then you just want to, before you lay it down, because this does stick quick and is not forgiving, you just want to make sure you have it in the right place. Give it just a little bit of pressure, and that is stuck. See, that is not coming up. It lifts the whole sign. This is really good stuff. So then you just want to put, move that because it shifted on me. Put a little bit of pressure, and that's going to hold it in place just like that. So let's get the rest of our letters out. Just make sure I have the right ones, because sometimes there's a little bit of difference and we don't want to get them all applied and then see that we did something wrong. Please do not knock. This was a custom request. I've done double-sided porch leaners before, but this is my first time that I have had to design a double-sided door hanger. And I'm excited about how it turned out. She doesn't like a lot of fluff and frou-frou. She's a little more on the minimalist side, so we went with just a simple, classic, basic look. Her door is black, her house is white, so we did a white backer with the black letters, and then we're going to put some greenery on there on the top, and then we'll be done with this one. So tell me in the comments, do you often have a door hanger on your door? Do you do just a everyday door hanger that says welcome? Or do you change them out for the seasons? Do you like whimsical, funny door hangers? What's your door decor style? Do you like to have like a big poofy wreath? What is your preference? I myself prefer all the colors. That's my choice. But not everybody likes that, so I do some classic looks. I do some farmhouse looks. I do whimsy. I do colorful. That's the beauty of creating, is that you get to enjoy multiple styles and less opportunity to get tired of things. So I'm just peeling off that backer. You don't have to worry about the glue oozing and making a mess. any of that. And this holds up good on doors. It holds up good on the outside or the inside. I haven't had any issues at all with signs coming apart, so that's important. And we got to choose some greenery. I have a couple of different greeneries that I have picked out to use, and I'm going to figure out a way to do her greenery so when she flips her sign, her greenery, she'll be able to flip that around too, so that'll work for both sides as well. So we'll have a separate video on that part. So this side's done. Please do not knock. Then we're going to turn it over to the other side. We did both sides white. Both sides going to have black letters. This one's not going to have a bow. Most of the door hangers that we sell do come with a bow. Some of the kits that we sell come with a ribbon to make your own bow. Sometimes the kit is just the wood blanks, but a lot of times we do include the ribbon so that you can make your bow. And sometimes people don't like bows, so we don't do it, right? So for this one, I'm going to hold it up so I can make sure that I have it even. There we go. So sometimes we want to be welcoming, and other times, please do not knock. So that's that. Now, we need to put something on there for her to be able to hang it. And what I like to use, instead of just jute or twine, what I use is this. It's called rustic wire, and you can see it is wire, but it's got kind of like a grassy material that goes over it, and it holds up very well. The jute, I'm always concerned about the jute because it, with the weather, I'm afraid it's gonna age and not hold up. So that's why we started using this. I will put a link down below for our Amazon storefront, and that will have this rustic wire and also these handy dandy little cutters to cut it, because scissors will not cut this. So then all you have to do, this sign already comes with pre-drilled holes, so you just feed that through the holes. I should have made my holes a little bit small, a little bit bigger. Oh yeah. And you want to make sure that your ends are even. Okay? And then all I do is bring it back up. Can you see what I'm doing? Let's move this. Move it back a little bit. I put one end on one side and I just twist it to secure it. It's very simple. And then do the other side. Just like that. And then she's got a nice sturdy hanger. Next we're going to do the greenery, and I'll post a separate video to show how we did the two-sided greenery. And this is just So pretty. So clean, crisp, and pretty. Thank you for watching. I would love for you to like if you enjoy what you saw. If you have a special request of something you'd like to see me do, put that down in the comments. And if you have any questions, as always, put those in the comments and I'll be sure to help you any way I can. Hope you have a great day, and remember, just paint.